Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create a pivot table in Excel to summarize our data instantly. If you want to learn the complete data analysis and visualization with Excel course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
A pivot table lets you summarize large amounts of data in seconds without writing any formula. Think of it like this. Instead of manually adding up all electronic sales yourself, PivotTable does it instantly with just a few clicks. Go to Sheet 1, click anywhere inside your data. Go to Insert tab, click Pivot Table. A dialog box opens. Excel has already detected our full data range, Sheet 1, A1 to I9, so we don't need to change anything here. New Worksheet is already selected. This means our pivot table will be placed on a new sheet, so our original data stays safe. Click OK. Sheet 2 opens. On the left, you see the blank pivot table. On the right, you see the Pivot Table Fields panel. This panel shows all our columns: employee ID, name, department, salary, and so on. At the bottom right, you see 4 areas: filters, rows, columns, and values. Rows means what you want to see on the left side of the table. Values means what you want to calculate. We want to see total actual sales per department. So drag department from the fields list and drop it into the rows area. Now drag actual sales and drop it into the values area. Instantly, Excel shows total actual sales. Electronics department made $47,850 and furniture made $32,840. Now let's go deeper. Drag name and drop it into the rows area below department. Now each employee is listed under their department, showing individual sales as well as department totals. This is the power of Pivot Table. What would take many formulas is done in just a few drags.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.